kuria Kikuyu ma itha wa mubunge wa Kikuyu mzee Icung'wa
Yes.
Ka Governor Wamatangi na nejiguire ka hutio nginya rucine ne baratha
Well, to begin with, ndamya kaundu kau uraririria.
Governor Wamatangi ri
Yes.
alijipata wetagwo tia riu gwikora haceke na githweri
Alijipata kwa hali si hali.
Ocio ya
Sababu hiyo si ya swing to fahamu.
Ria gikorire haceke igongona-ini riu.
Yes.
Tondu ni akiagirwo kamweke handu angigea kiaria kana ikinyie ndumiriri cia rambi
no na handu mari recognize ri ni ari recognize ro kindufia muno
hau matineka wega
ku recognize gwake as host governor was lackluster
hau hatiakire wega
hau ningi ona haria ona twina siasa ciana ati ari maundu mamwe ai
hau ona uria wari na program ri hau ni abacirie
so do you see I think he was introduced by Governor Cecily
governor you know it actually ni kwagira mundu gitio
yes
gwita governor wa Embu Kiambu
I introduced governor wa Kiambu
no I mean
and I think Governor Cecily mathi kugia ikaro kiria magia ya Council of Governors ri ni mafatio nake mamuikarie thi tondu riri
no ni mafatie mamuthomere
you see even as a governor where we governor you are supposed to actually one your camera your wisdom should tell you
yes.
This is your fellow governor you are in his county
we gwake
yes.
No, I mean, ati governor wa Embu, I introduce governor wa Kiambu, Kiambu.
Na daramo introduce arie, oere adu moko.
I mean.
Well, it was a family function given.
Yes.
But again, there is the way the mind operates. He is the governor of Kiambu County. The funeral is in Kiambu.
Given the guest list today,
yes.
We would have expected the protocol githie.
Ona harera to ha guikarari. That was petty and low. Do ikava kwaria ma. Na tondu ni maundu manari muingi-ini ri. It was a public event. Yes.
Hau hatirathi wega.
John Joseph Pombe Magufuli augire atiriri msema kweli ni mpenzi wa Mungu. Maneario that was wrong.
That was wrong
and embarrassing for a sitting governor in his county.
Eta governor uria wa county yo ri ni afatie kuheo gitio kiria kimwagiriire.
Yes.
Because he holds an office on behalf of the people of that county.
You see where the sitting protocol go president, the deputy, then we go to the CSS.
Speaker, tondu na speaker make speaker bunge cieri.
The arms of power.
Yes.
The power hierarchy. And then the CS. Then we have the host governor.
The host governor.
Yes. Well.
Au hatiathire wega.
Bana.
Hiyo sio mzuri.
Yes. Those are tantrums. Yes.
Lucio rungiri.
Who is the chair of the Council of Governors? No akoria ni madaraka ni wajia.
Ni Governor wa Mandera.
Maikarathi uhoro ucio ni wariririo. To nake Governor Cecily ni afatia benyeriri. No arifatara Governor Wamatangi.
Yes, they are governors. They have similar situations. Ona Governor Mbarire ni njira kuigua arehete thina muno anga ni ara bypass kuria Embu. Maundu mamwe marekwo ni thirikari.
And then she repeats the same thing to a fellow governor.
It is not right.
You see, hiyo nani gigithii handu ri jero POMC kajimwe guko kana Jeff Kuria ri I will recognize them, especially if I'm in their function.
Yes.
Yeni
hau hatiathire wega.
Let's not go overboard.
Bisho de atherire.
Tibisa njega. Lawyers.
Ikire ni atia no kugweta.
No kuhutireria uguo. Tondu mweri wecha weka atia.
Ni wiroragirwo.
Yes. Ndio.